So now, hi everyone. We finished with the last room. It's about 20 square meters, and let me show it to you. It was pretty awesome to do. And I'll switch the camera to the other side. Now look at this. Look at this. As you can see, little imperfections are there, but when it's done, it's completely okay. It's really okay. But I have to say, this is really awesome. Finished awesome. Oh no, that's not an imperfection, that's a bug there. That's a bug which fell down there. Now we wait for about 1 day or 2. Because this here now has been 48 hours, I guess. 48 hours, and it's getting this more white, more gray, light gray color, and it just looks awesome. It's really awesome. I can really recommend it. If you want to have a really flat surface, try it out. Try it out on a smaller surface. And also use a little bit more water, because this leveling compound is it's really quick. It's really quick when you're mixing it, maximum 30 minutes, and you have to get it out. So get yourself a friend or two if you have bigger rooms. We did this here, for example, with 3 of us, but we made it really quick. So we had a plan. We did it like nobody stood around. It was just everyone knew what to do, and yeah. Maybe do it with 4. If you have 20 square meters, do it with 4 people. Maybe that has been 11 times 25 kilo leveling compound, and we leveled 7 millimeters, for example, and because I wanted to have everything on the same level as the door to the garden and the door to the main door. We needed 7 millimeters to have it to raise the level of the floor, and yeah, try it out. It's really awesome.